Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can apply for a refund on the Just Eat application for food delivery in the UK. So let's jump right into it. Now, when you actually open up the application, this is the menu that you'll be greeted with. When you actually log in, enter your address and so on and so forth. I just entered some random place, some random address just for this tutorial's purposes sake. And now I'm greeted with this screen. Here you can select any food delivery, whatever you have, groceries, deals, chicken, pizza, whatever the hell you want. As you can see, that here is a lot of restaurants which you can select. However, what we want to do to actually be able to redeem our uh, delivery or our refund on our delivery, what you want to do is click on orders, and once you're here, you will be taken to the screen where your orders will be listed. Now, excuse me, since I am not ordering anything through this account, let me just switch to screenshots to better demonstrate what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you enter the orders tab, except it's in light mode, whereas mine is in dark, but it's the same thing. Out of these, like, you select which order you would like a refund on, and once you select it, you'll find somewhere what this is the second screen, and when you scroll down, you'll see these two buttons, unhappy with my order and get more help. A lot of times you'll see people telling you to click on I'm unhappy. First, what you want to do is click on get more help, and then you'll be met with this. And now you want to click I'm unhappy with my order. After you click here, you have to select what the problem was. To get a refund, the safest bet I think is to say my food was damaged. And once you do, of course, don't lie. If it's actually damaged, then click on that. If it was cold, then click on that. However, I think that damaged food gets the most refunds. And once you're here, select which items were damaged, a description, enter done, and you should be applied for a refund. And that should be it. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something new. And I'll see you guys in another video.